conditions of the Earth's atmosphere today haven't been seen for roughly 3 million years. Humans have never lived on a planet like this. This is our climate crisis. Today, we have stronger storms, increased flooding, frequent droughts, dead coral reefs, stronger viruses, massive fish die-offs, and global wildfires. Things will end very badly if we do not act now. And yet, there is hope. Introducing Drawdown. Based on the book and research conducted by a team of international researchers, this seminar uses carefully verified data that maps, measures, models, and describes the most significant solutions to the global climate crisis that already exist. Examples will be discussed from architecture, engineering, urban design, materials, nature, and more. Please join me if you can. Thank you.